Hey guys, at BV Manson here, and today just a real quick video on just throwing a few pieces and parts together. Picked up the new air filters. Again, the 72 CL350 did not have air boxes, did not have air filters, did not have carburetors, did not have an exhaust. So I've been having to piecemeal pretty much all of this stuff. And, I broke down and bought brand new air filter. I picked up the air filter box on eBay. And what I discovered is that I cleaned up these little boots. These were, these actually came with the boxes from eBay. That's right. And actually, I don't need them, because the air filters actually come with those. So let's tear into this, and then let's install a filter into one of the air boxes. All right, let's go. Let's tear into this. These filters are not cheap, by the way. What were they? I think I'll have to check, but they were like for the pair. I think it was like $125 or $150. It was an investment for sure. But these are brand new. All right, brand spanking new. And again, these are official Honda parts. All right. Now, again, I don't need these. If you need these, let me know. I got a set of them. I know people who tear these old filters apart, replace the elements, and do all of that. So if that's your jam, let me know. I've got some of those. You're going to need the filter. You're going to need a filter box. And then that coveted seal, that air filter seal that goes onto the bottom of the battery box. So here's that battery box. Remember? Here it is. These actually jam right into these tubes when that's on the bike. And then these actually connect on the bike just like that. Okay? So they plug into the hole. So you need these seals. You absolutely need these. All right. So not rocket science. Okay? You've got a oval hole here, and you got an oval hole here. All right? Basically, all you're going to do is sandwich these two pieces together. There's a little ridge right under here. See that? That's where you want to slide the air filter box into. That's it. Just slide it together. You'll kind of hear it start to click together. And then there is one tab on the back side of it right here that we're going to just push it into. This box seems like it's a little bit out of sorts here, so you might have to push on it a little bit. But the goal is to get the thing to pop together. There we go. I think it moved a little bit. Actually, I'm going to grab a little screwdriver here. Push that in. And I think I got it, actually. There it went. There, I felt it kind of connect there. So that's really all there is to it, guys. This might be one of my shorter videos here. And then when you mount these on the bike, they're going to go like this. And then your filter seal goes on here, and it's going to point up. So just go like that. I put it there for safekeeping, so I'm not going to lose it. And when I go to put the filters on, I'll have it. It'll be right there. So there is our fancy new air filter we've got left. And right there, we are ready to go on that one. So you know what? This is an easy one. After the last few videos that I made, I really just wanted, I kind of wanted a layup. I needed an easy one that I could just do. And you know what? There's nothing fancy going on with these air filters, replacing them. There's no bolts. The only thing that holds these things on is basically there's a bolt that goes here, and then that long brass long rod goes in, and it's actually going to sandwich these two things together. It's going to pull it all together, and then they'll be nice and tight, and they are not going to go anywhere. So no big deal. You do need left and right filters, though. They are different, and they have to fit the boxes. All right, guys, that's really all there is to changing an oil filter on a CB CL350. Just, don't lose these. All right, these are really freaking hard to find. So I think that's it. Let's move on. Let's do another easy win video here next, because I've been doing some real long-winded stuff. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe. Also, thumbs up the videos that you enjoy. It really does help a lot. Helps me know what videos you guys want to hear or see, and also helps people find my videos, so it feels like I'm not talking to myself constantly. Also follow along Instagram and Twitter at BV Matson. See you in the next video.